Hello my creative friends! Today I want to work with the traveling funnel technique and the split color base. So what I really like about acrylic pouring with funnel is that it gives more control over the composition of the piece. Yet it creates a lot of beautiful abstract effects that are quite spontaneous. So it's like a good combination of both. And for my base split color, not so long ago I have seen Rinska Donna did a Dutch pour also with a split color base in a sort of roundish shape. I like that. So today I want to do something similar, of course with my own twist to it. So let's see how that's gonna work and let's get started. Today I'm working on 16 by 20 canvas. I don't feel like adding any silicone to any of my colors. My paint is mixed with Floetrol and water. You can find all the details in the description. So now I'm just gonna add my base coat. I wanna go for a roundish shape, like a moon shape today. Something like this. Yeah, I like that. So here I want to have my purple and this will be white. So I'm gonna travel my funnel where the purple meets the white. I got a new funnel. This one is made out of silicone. If you guys want to check out the reusable acrylic pouring supplies that I'm using, I'm also gonna include the links in the description. So this funnel is pretty small. I don't think I need a whole lot of color. What I really like to do for my funnel technique is to think through the order of colors ahead of time before I'm adding them to the funnel. That really helps. Okay. All right, I actually think that should be enough. If not, I can always add more as I go. So let's travel this. Yep, I do need some more paint. Let's do one more round. All right, I have to say I like this design, this shape. Looks very cool. Now I like to tilt my canvas just a little bit to level out that paint so it doesn't spread too much during the drying. A lot of cells are showing up, and that happens first of all because I have Floetrol in my mixture and also because of different density of colors that I'm using. As they all overmix when they go through the funnel stem, this is the effect you get. So you can get some really gorgeous cells without silicone when you're working with a pretty fluid consistency of your paint. And my paint is quite fluid. Okay, let's give it a torch, and that will create even more cells. We also pop some air bubbles. I really like this part, it's gorgeous. So now I want to swipe some of this beauty, move this paint around. I want to move some of this paint. Don't want it to be too busy, so I'm gonna stop swiping just for now. Maybe I'll add a few more swipes after, but now I want to blow and move some of that paint around. I really like how this metallic orange works in this section. I don't have the whole lot here, so I want to add just some few drops here and there. Just a drop of that orange here. I like this very gentle lacing that torching creates. I think it works very well with this design. I love the white negative space here. I want to keep that. So let me turn it for you guys. I feel like I want to stop now. It's quite busy, but it's so energetic, and these colors definitely work amazing together. I love this color combo. The Dioxazine Purple dries really dark, almost black, so it's gonna bring out a lot more contrast. These details, these wipes create so much movement. I like that. It kind of makes me feel happy. I'm getting a bit of a magical vibe from this piece. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you think about this outcome, and I will talk to you in the comments. Happy pouring. Bye-bye.